Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good day to my lecturers and my fellow friends. Today we are going to present about the product that the Michelin company produce, which is tire. First of all, I want to introduce all group members and I. My name is Muhammad Azizi bin Yahya as a first presenter. The second one is Shazwan will present about the task 2. Third is Faiz will present about the task 3. Next is Muizuddin will present about the task 4. And lastly, Haikal will present about the task 5. Next. For the background company, Michelin is a French worldwide tire maker that located at the Clermont-Ferrand. Michelin purpose, a better way forward. So, since they accept versatility is basic for human turn of event, they continually enhance to make it more secure. They are innovative, dedicated to offering our clients solid quality. Michelin produce tire not only in France but in Serbia, Poland, Spain, Germany, the US, the UK, Canada, Brazil, Thailand, Japan, India, Italy, and a few different nations. The tire that Michelin produce can be used for transport airplane, vehicle, overwhelming, hardware, bikes, and bicycle. Next. This is the organization chart. You can see the Florent Menegaus is a CEO. He has 9 executive committee. Next, I will pass the second presenter.
Thank you, Azizi. Next, I will talk about the tires, Michelin. First one is SUV tires. Proven balanced for long wear life, comfort and traction. These SUV tires honors of SUV and crossover the right balance of performance, safety and luxury. For example, SUV tires for Porsche Macan, Proton X70 and such as many again. Furthermore, car and vans tires, whether on the highway or around congested city street, this passenger car tire offer the exceptional combination of safety, long-lasting tread wear and fuel efficiency. For these tires suitable for the car like Azia, Iris, Proton for family car. Next is light truck tires. Great combination of wear, life, durability, toughness and grip. The right tires for owners of light tires and well looking to get the job done. For these tires suitable for lorry, bus, for lasting durable time. Next, I will pass to my presenter. Thank you.
Okay, 10 to 1. My name is Muhammad Faiz. Today, I would like to present about the tire manufacturing process for Michelin. So, the first process is mixing process. Mixing process is a recipe they use to mix some chemical material to produce some particular tire specific. So, the main raw of material they use are natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon filler, and chemical and oil. The second process is cylindrical process. Cylindrical process is tire manufacturing where steel or fabric is coated with rubber. In cylindrical process, to make tire Michelin, they have two processes. First is belt and play cylindrical. Second is inner liner cylindrical. Next slide. The third process is building process. Building process include the seat rules of side wheel rubber, the book contains red rubber, and the rack of this are all delivery to steel assembly at the tire building machine. The component of tire include brake, base, side, wheel, and tread. After the component is assembled, the tire is often referred to green tire. The last process is curing process. Curing process is used to give a tire its final shape and treat painted. It involved the conditor cross like leaching of rubber and vulcanizing agent, resulting in a elastomer. During the curing process, a steam at brim up to 280 degrees. The time in mode depends on characteristic desired in the tire. That's all for me. I will pass to the Muiz.
Okay, okay, thank you, Mr. Faiz. Okay, next I will present my presentations is a type of material. So according from research, Michelins have a producing a tires using a materials 200 raw materials they use on how they produce the tires. Actually, yeah, 200 raw materials. So in 200 raw materials, they don't use that 200 materials in the at the same times. No, they don't brew the raw material at the same times. They brew or the create or combine the material according from the performance. According from the performance, the tires they want to produce, or in other words, they produce the tires according from what is the customer needs, what is the customer requirement. From, for example, the strengthness or the flexibility of the tires. So the pillars of the materials is a rubber and another reinforcement materials like metals and textile reinforcements. And the rubber compounds are made up of elastomers, reinforced pillars, plasticizers, and other chemical elements. And other than rubber is what else? Metal reinforcement. Please next slide. Nani? Next slide. Metal reinforcement.
Bawah lagi.
Next is okay, metal reinforcement. So after yeah, obviously tires made from rubber. Yeah, right. So other than rubber, Michelin also use reinforcement materials like a metal and a textile reinforcement. So what is the functions of the two materials? Okay, so the metal reinforcements is providing a strong physical chemical bond between the rubber and steel, and textile reinforcements is a plays important roles in high performance and high speed tires. So that's a little bit about the type of the materials they use to produce the tires. So the next presenter, can you continue the presentations, Mr. Haikal?
Okay, can of course. Okay, Shazwan, can you back to my slide? Okay, thank you. Now I will present about the advantage and disadvantage of the entire tire process. First is for the mixing process. Advantage for the mixing process is first is reducing the incorporation time. Second is mass of ingredients, which mean in this mixing, the mixture technology can mix over 200 of ingredients to make the green tire. And disadvantage of this process is dispersion of chemical substance, which is spread the chemical substance among the workers. That's why the workers have to use the mask to protect themselves. Next is calendaring process. The advantage of this process is good handling polymer and good mixing polymer. And of course, this calendaring process has the versatile machine. And this advantage for this process is very expensive process because one of the part of this calendaring process is so expensive. Not good to high and too low of gauge. Okay, next. Okay, the third process is building. The advantage of this process is suitable for long production and fast method for production, of course. And disadvantage of this process is this process also one of the process that is so expensive, which is involve the high operating cost. And this process also must to handle the process must the workers of the staff have to train and have a skill and knowledge to handle this process. The last process is curing. The advantage of the curing process is advantage reduce risk of local overheating and less steam can condense. And the disadvantage of this curing process is high price of steam energy because in this modern era the technology has improved by time to time. So of course the new method is involved. Next is handling difficult inquiry process and high maintenance effort. So that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, dah. Okay.